Okay, for this lesson, you need your journal and a pen or a pencil, and then you need a clock. Now, your clock might be different colors or something, but you need one that looks like this with the hands. These are called the hands of the clock that you can spin. Okay, so pause me and go grab your stuff. Okay, let's look at this. All right, this is a clock, and we are going to learn how to tell time on this clock, okay? So, to find the hour of the clock, you look at the smaller hand. Now look at the two hands. Do you see how one is smaller and one is bigger? Or shorter and longer? Okay, so the shorter hand is going to tell us the hour. So let's write that down in our journal so we can remember that. The shorter hand tells us the hour. So that means the longer hand is going to tell us the minutes. Longer hand will be minutes. Okay? So, like when you see the time written, you see it on your oven at your house or your microwave, or there's all different places that you see the time written, right? And so when you see it, like right now, I look on my clock and it's 5:21. 5:21. Okay. Let's see if we can make 5:21 out of this clock. Okay? So, shorter hand hour. Okay, shorter hand hour. We're going to put that in the 5 o'clock hour right next to the 5. Okay, now how do we do the 21, the minutes? What shows 21? Look, can you see this? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's the minutes. And each of these dots is 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, that's weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They didn't put, that's weird. They only put 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, that is weird. They needed to draw one more dot on there, huh? That's so weird. So, the shorter hand is the hour. So let's go to where 21 would be. Here's the 20. You see that? So let's just go right a little bit after the 20, right? Because it's not 25. We just need to go a little bit after the 20. So we take our longer hand and we put it right after the 20. Okay, so let's look at our time. This is in the 5 o'clock hour, between 5 and 6. That's the 5 o'clock hour. And then 21, just a minute past the 20. That shows us it's 5:21. Okay, let's do 2:34. Okay, 2:34, let's write that down. 2:34. Okay, so 2:34. So this hand is the hour hand. That's the shorter hand. Let's put that in the 2 o'clock hour. It's between the 2 and the 3, right? That's the 2 o'clock hour. So 2. Then we need to do 34. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now 34 is just right before that 35, isn't it? So our long hand, which is our minute hand, will just go right before it. 2:34. Okay, let's do our next one. Let's do 10:48. Can you write that down? Okay, the hour is the shorter hand. Let's go in the 10 o'clock hour. The 10 o'clock hour is between 10 and 11, the 10 o'clock hour. So 10. Okay. Now what's our minutes? 48. So here's 45, 46, 47, 48. We're just right before 50. Right there. 10:48. Okay. You guys get out of school on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. You get out at 3 o'clock. Let's make 3 o'clock. Okay, let's write it down. 3 o'clock. Okay, so 3 o'clock. Here we go. What's the hour hand going to be in? The 3 o'clock hour, right? The 3 o'clock hour, okay. Now, how do you make it 0, 0? What's 0, 0? It's right up here at the top. Or the 60. That means 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Do you want to draw that? If you want to draw that in your journal so you remember, you can. If you want to pause me and do that, you sure can. Okay, you guys go to school. Your school starts at 8:30. Let's write 8:30 on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, let's draw that. Let's make it on our clock, okay? So the hour hand needs to go in the 8 o'clock hour. So that's between 8 and 9. Pretty close to 8. Now 30. Where's the 30? Take your long hand. Put it down at the 30. What did we make? 8:30. Good job. Okay, let's write this down. 7:08. Write that down. 7:08. Right there. Okay, 7. So let's put it in the 7 o'clock hour. Now we need to make 08. So here's our 5 minutes. So there's our 5 minutes. So 6, 7, 8, a little bit before the 10. Right there. 7:08. Okay, can you write these down for me? Can you write down 6:50, 4:35, 3:45, and 10:55. Pause me and write those down. Okay, now on your own, I want you to make those on your clock. Pause me and go through and make them all. Okay? Okay, did you make those 4 times? Let's try, we're going to try 2 of them together. We're going to do 4:35, okay? So watch me as I do this. The hour hand, the long hand, needs to be in the 4 o'clock hour. So we put it in there. 4:35. Now my long hand, here's the 30. Here's the 5. So it goes to 4:35. Now let's do 10:55. Watch me as I do this. Here's my my shorthand for the hour, of course. So we take that in the 10 o'clock hour. And then 55. Clear up here. 55. Did yours look like these when you made them? I hope so. Okay, now can you write, now we're going to try this. Okay. I'm going to make a time on here, and you're going to see if you can figure out what it is. Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to make a time on here. What do you think that is? Write it down, what you think that is. What do you think it is? We're at the 5 with the shorthand. So 5. And then where's my minutes at? Just right past 40, right? So if you put 5:41 or 5:42, you got it. I'm going to put 5:41. Okay, ready? Let's do it again. Here we go. I'm going to put my clock like this. Okay, ready? Write down what you think it is. Okay, what'd you write down? Where's my shorthand? 10, right? It's in the 10 o'clock hour. So 10. And then where's my longhand, my minutes? Right before the 10, right? So either it's about 10:08 or 10:09, right? 10:08 or 10:09. 10:09. So if you wrote down 10:08 or 10:09, you got it right. Should we do it again? Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm going to put this one here. Put this one here. Okay. Where's my shorthand? And where's my longhand? Write it down what you think it is. Okay, my hour hand is here in the 3 o'clock hour. So 3. And we're just right after 25, right? So about 3:25 or 3:20. Oh no, sorry, about 3:26 or 3:27. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the games and activities folder, and there's a game called Balloons. And what you're going to do is it's like a memory match game. So you can play with somebody or you can play by yourself. You can just match them up by yourself. But what you do is you flip, there's cards, and you flip them all over upside down. Then you flip them over, and you take turns. If you're playing with somebody, you take turns and try to get a match. If you're just doing it by yourself, then you can just match them up. You don't have to flip them over and turn them over. You can just lay them all out and then match them all up. Okay? And this is for other heroes to use. So when you're done with it, put it back away how you found it. Okay? All right, have fun.